Suffolk Construction, a Boston giant, has quietly moved into Las Vegas, chasing some of the Strip's biggest makeovers. Since opening a Nevada office in 2023, Suffolk has hired GM Chris Anderson and will shift to a permanent Hughes Center headquarters in early 2026. Chosen by Caesars Entertainment, Suffolk will modernize the Flamingo's lobby, bar, and arrival experience while the historic resort stays open for its 80th anniversary. In Henderson, crews recently poured 4,500 cubic yards of concrete for the Four Seasons private residences, a luxury high-rise guided by Suffolk's BIM tech. Beyond the Strip glamour, Suffolk is constructing Campus for Hope, a 20-acre homeless services hub in West Las Vegas that underscores its civic commitment. Curious how these mega projects shape property values? We're tracking every crane in the skyline. Reach out for the latest neighborhood insights.